There is no doubt that the oil subsidy removal, which was announced by President Bola Tinubu on his inauguration, will affect every other sector of the oil and gas. Few days after announcing the removal, the price in cooking gas has drastically dropped, which has generated reactions by many users. Some respondents who spoke to ITV News expressed joy over the change, but like Oliver Twist, they are calling for more reduction.
I buy day before yesterday. 1 liter is 1 kg is 500. I buy 1,000. I so happy because before if I fill down my gas 9,000, but now at least if I get 4,000, I can fill my gas. I beg government, may they help us.
This one I just added for it now. It says 600 per kg. But normally as you get some of us as poor people, we don't really afford it. So thank God for this. But me, I believe the government may just try more.
Sellers who believe basically in demand and supply says they have to reevaluate.
Actually, we are so happy with the decrease in price because anything that will pay our customers, we're happy about it. And we hope so that the price may still come down. Due to this decrease in price, it's like there is increase in our sales. My call on government general is that they should provide some policies that will help us get the product at a lower or cheaper rate in such a way that we can also reduce the price to customers for them to at least it will have impact on their standard of living, because it's something that government can regulate.
I expect the grant to go down. Bank cannot do like that because people are complaining gas too much. But the hard person can come out 900 or 1,000 to buy 1 kg of gas. So I don't like it. Yeah. We're calling on the government to be checking on it.
It is hoped that government listens to the call for regulation, as this will bring an end to the rise and fall in the cooking gas market. Juliet Dengiwa, ITV News.